Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Lisa. Make sure you subscribe to join our little family. So today I have this very beautiful formal makeup look. You can use this for prom, graduation, or just any other formal event. It's also beautiful as like an everyday soft glam look. It's super easy to create and it will look good on everyone, which is why I wanted to post this and show you guys how to create it. I also included this hair, which is actually a pre-made wig from Beafay. I will be leaving all the links and information down below, but I will be talking about it later on in this video. So if you want to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. As always, I already have done my brows and we're just going to get started with the makeup. For primer, I'll be using the Milani Prime Protect. This is just a very nice, I wouldn't say mattifying, but it's just a very healthy looking primer and I really like it. I think it's perfect for a look like this because it just makes your skin look really good. Like, it doesn't make it look oily, but it just gives it this really nice dew. Do you see that? And even though I have oily skin, I do sometimes like just having my face look dewy. Now before I head on to the face makeup, I actually want to start with the eyes. But I always like putting on my primer so that it can kind of set into my skin and, you know, do its job. I don't know.
Anywhere the way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating.
To set this, I'm using the City Color Banana Powder. I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette and I'm going to start out with the color Flux right here and just building this inside my crease and kind of blowing it out. I don't know, just putting it in here and really just focusing in that crease. And then as soon as you feel like it's pigmented enough in the crease, you can go ahead and start blending it out. And I'm taking the same brush and I'm going in to Spice right here. And I'm just taking this again in the crease and I'm trying to like really keep this in the crease and not bring it any further out. Kind of that outer V / crease part. Taking a little fluffy brush and kind of blending out the edges. Very close right now. Now I'm taking the color Tan and just kind of bringing this all over my lid. And then I'm also just taking it on like a really big fluffy brush and working it up to my brow bone. Kind of blending all these colors together.
I will never let you go.
And I'm going in with this ColourPop eyeshadow in Lightning Bug. This is so beautiful. It is very soft though and like kind of crumbly. So I recommend applying it with your finger, which gives the most beautiful result. And I'm just putting it like right there. So that is the eyes done for now. We're gonna head on to the skin. For foundation, I'm mixing my Girl Pro Matte foundation in Caramel and my Ordinary Coverage foundation in 2.1Y. First, just going to put this on my cheek. And I'm gonna put quite a lot on because it's like a full glam kind of formal type of makeup, so I want some extra coverage. I'm just gonna blend this out again with a damp beauty sponge.
Lightning strikes by my window.
I'm going to be concealing using my Tarte Shape Tape and also my Too Faced Born This Way concealer.
Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close.
Before I blend out my under eye concealer, I'm going in with my Girl Pro Concealer and Beautiful Bronze.
And so
now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. While I'm blending out my concealer right here, I'm also carving out my eyeshadow. I'm going to set underneath my eyes using my NYX Banana Powder, of course, and then I'm gonna bake with my City Color Banana Powder.
we were close to see.
insane right now. While my face is baking, I'm going in with my Other Girl Pro face powder in Toffee, and I'm just going to slightly contour my face. I've wiped off my bake, and I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula, did I say it right? Youthful Wear Spotless Powder. This is like a mattifying powder, but it still kind of leaves a shine. Then I'm taking my Other Girl powder again, and I'm going to contour my nose. And now that my face looks so just white and flat, I'm going in with my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer to bronze up my face. I'm going to finish off my eyes, and I'm going in with, let me see, I'm mixing Flux and Spice and just running it underneath my eyes like so. For blush, I'm wearing the Bobbi Brown blush in Sand Pink. I'm going to be spraying my face with my Badescu Rose Water Spray so it can set down all the powders, and it can also kind of prep for my highlight. The highlight I'm wearing today is Becca Champagne Pop. This highlighter is so beautiful. Oh my god. You see that? Oh shit. I'm also running it like right up here to the brow bone, so it like connects. I'm also running this along my forehead. You guys know I love me some forehead highlight. Taking it on my finger and just running it along my nose bridge on the tip of my nose. And then I'm also taking the highlight on a little brush and putting it on my inner corner. Going to be putting on my Bobbi Brown waterproof mascara to prep my lashes for falsies. I have like no lashes left, guys. Busy on your phone. I just wanna the lashes I'm using are the Ardell Faux Mink in 811. So while the lash glue is getting tacky, I'm going to be applying my lip product. I'm wearing my NYX Lip Lingerie in Cabaret Show. Stuck in a face, I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe, bursting out in cold. And then on top, I'm putting the Milani Lip Plumper in the color Soft Rose. I actually went ahead and slacked these lashes a bit. Also, I'm convinced I'm literally allergic to this lash glue. I use a duo lash glue. Literally makes my eyes burn so bad. If you guys know any lash glues that don't do that, or like, I don't really know what ingredient it is. It might be the latex in the lash glue. But yeah, my eyes are like burning. I just did some random stuff with the lashes. I don't even know if it looks good. I just wanted them to be fuller because they're so like, they're pretty, but they're not that full and not that long. So I'm gonna do my hair now. I'm not really sure what I want to do. So this hair is from Beafay. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is actually a wig that they made and sent me. It's a very affordable wig, and for what you get, I honestly think it's literally amazing. I zoomed you out so you can see it a bit better. This is like a curly wig. I don't know the exact like hair that this is, so I will leave that down below. It does shed a little bit, which is kind of a downside to it, but for the price, I think it's an amazing wig. And especially if you're not good at making wigs, then I think this is like really good to start out with. I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and then I plucked the hairline a little bit and just laid it down. It has a little bit of makeup on the side. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with the hair. I'm not really sure. I honestly really like it just down like this. Okay, I think I have an idea. So I'm taking a section right here, and I'm just going to be twisting this. Music on the dance floor. Then I'm taking another section right here and doing the same thing. Don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you and then I'm taking both sections, and I'm just going to be taking it back and pinning it with a little clip like this because it's easy. That's so pretty. I like this hair a lot, so I'm going to leave all the information to this hair down below. I keep looking in the viewfinder. I'm so sorry. I really have to fix this. It's so bad. But if you're interested in buying this hair, then I'm going to leave all the information down below. Definitely recommend it if you want to start wearing wigs, but you're not really good at making them, or you just don't want to make wigs, like you don't have time. Then I would definitely suggest this hair or any other hair from Beafay. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe down below. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And if you want to keep up with me besides my videos, then of course follow my social medias. DM me on Instagram or Twitter. I'd love to talk to you. Updated tattoos videos coming very soon because I got some tats, as you guys know. I got some shrimps. Oh. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.